Welcome to my painting channel!
What's up, painting friends? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome for the first time. My name is Stoof, and I'm a full-time professional artist currently living in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I have over 18 years of painting experience, and I received my Bachelor of Arts in 2012 with a focus on realism landscape painting. On my channel, you're going to find beginner to advanced painting tutorials of landscapes, animals, flowers, buildings, seascapes, lots of fun stuff like that. And they're usually in a more realistic style. Sometimes I'll go a little more on the impressionism side and I'll have fun with other styles of painting, but in general, we go for the realism spectrum. That means color and light are pretty true to what you would see in nature. And we use acrylic and oil painting mediums, and usually I use paint brushes for these painting tutorials. From time to time, I'm also going to show you guys what's been going on in my art career, including commissions that I've been working on, original oil paintings like this guy right here that go to a greater level of detail than my tutorials, plein air painting, travel painting,
and behind the scenes footage of my live event painting.
In addition to my YouTube channel, you guys can find my content on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Reddit, and Patreon as well. And I upload specific videos just for Patreon for my different tiered patrons. So I appreciate you guys' support on all of those platforms as well. So make sure you hit the nice little subscribe button right there and the little notification bell next to it so you're notified whenever I have a new video available to watch. I post every Thursday and sometimes on Sunday if I have time. You guys can leave a comment below this video if you have requests for painting tutorials you would like to see. Thanks for joining me, have a great day, and happy painting. Bye!